Hello everyone, it's Crochet by Beb. Welcome to my channel. And this video, I'm going to show you how to make this camel stitch. This is very easy to make. It's one row repeat and it's half double crochet into the third loop of the stitch or chains. You can see it's very nice and fun to make. And this is very good for hats or beanie, scarf, and many more. I am showing you how to make this in 100% cotton yarn 5mm hook, and you will be needing also your yarn needle and your pair of scissors. Before we start, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time I have a new video. First, we're going to make a slip knot. And this, you can chain any desired chain for the beginning chain. So I'm going to chain 15. Okay, yarn over, insert into that loop. Yarn over, insert to that loop. So this is how you make the chain. Okay, continue making your desired chain. When you have done your chains, now let's start our row 1. For row 1, we're going to make half double crochets into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2. So I'm going to insert my hook into that back loop of the chain. First, yarn over, insert into that chain, second chain from the hook. We have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over into that 3 loops, and that is the half double crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert into the next stitch or chain, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over into the 3 loops. Okay, continue making your half double crochets into all the stitches. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over into the 3 loops. Okay, continue making your half double crochet. Okay, when you are done your row 1, so to proceed, we're going to chain 1 and turn work. And now we're going to make our row 2. For row 2, we're going to make the half double crochets into the third loop in front of you. So this is the normal chains, the V of the stitch, 1, 2. And I'm going to insert my hook into this third loop in front of you, in front of me. That's so if you count 1, 2, and 3. So this is the third loop in front of you. So this is into the back. Okay, so we're going to work in those third loop. Okay, so yarn over, insert into that third loop, grab a yarn, 3 loops on the hook, and then yarn over all into the 3 loops. Okay, this is how we make the stitches. Yarn over, insert into that third loop, grab a yarn, 3 loops on the hook, and pull into the 3 loops. Then just keep repeating this. This is how we can achieve the camel stitch, or the, as you can see, this bump. Okay, continue your half double crochets into the third loop. Okay, to make the last stitch, I am going to make it into the both loops, into the normal chains to make it firmer. So I'm going to yarn over, insert into the both loops of that last stitch or chain, then make the half double crochet. Okay, so this is our repeating row, the row 2. So again, chain 1, turn work, and make the half double crochet again into the third loop, into those loops. You can see this, the normal stitches or chains of this V, and as you can see, this is the third loops. Okay, yarn over, insert into that third loop, and make your half double crochet. Okay, just continue doing like this, and this is very easy, right? You can see. Okay, I will keep repeating more the rows, and then I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, just remember, into the last stitch, and we're going to make it into the both loops of the stitch. Okay, now we're going to chain 1 again and turn work. I keep repeating more the rows, and your stitch gonna be look like this. So it's there is this rib effect. So this is what you call a camel stitch. So it's like the camel's back. Thank you so much for joining me making these stitches, and hope you had a great time. And see you again next time on my next video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Happy crochet everyone. Bye.